Welcome to FinXo Capital Daily News, your go-to source for the latest financial market updates. Let's dive into today's market headlines. The S&P 500 and Dow closed at record highs despite weaker consumer confidence data, which fell unexpectedly due to concerns over the labor market. While this data weighed on some sectors, mining stocks rallied after China announced a significant stimulus package, pushing metals and mining industries higher. Analysts point to China's interest rate cut plans as a major factor driving global market gains. The Dow added 0.2%, while the Nasdaq climbed 0.56%, with optimism spreading across cyclical industries tied to Chinese demand. China's biggest economic stimulus since the pandemic boosted global commodities, particularly copper and lithium. Mining giants Freeport-McMoRan surged nearly 8%, while Southern Copper jumped over 7%. The demand for raw materials is expected to rise sharply as China's stimulus focuses on reviving its economy. Chinese tech stocks like Alibaba and Li Auto also benefited, rising over 7% and 11%, respectively. Tech stocks had mixed results. Nvidia gained 3.9%, while Microsoft slipped by 1.15%. The semiconductor sector outperformed, with the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index climbing 1.23%. Key stocks like Intel and Qualcomm saw moderate gains, benefiting from sustained demand. Chinese tech stocks listed in the US also saw gains thanks to positive sentiment from China's stimulus package. In Forex news, the US dollar slipped to a one-month low against the euro and a 2.5-year low against the British pound following weaker consumer confidence data. Meanwhile, China's yuan hit a 16-month high, driven by Beijing's aggressive economic support. The Australian dollar also saw gains tied to its reliance on Chinese demand, but inflation data tempered the rise. Finally, in commodities, oil prices dropped slightly, with Brent crude down 0.2% to $75 per barrel, and US West Texas Intermediate falling 0.3% to $71. Investors are weighing the long-term impact of China's stimulus on fuel demand. Meanwhile, gold hit a record high of $2,670 per ounce as investors seek safe haven assets amid dollar weakness and global uncertainty. As we wrap up today's FinXo Capital Daily News, remember, whether it's the stock market's subtle shifts, the forex market's currency dramas, or the broader economic indicators, staying informed is key to navigating the financial waters. Join us tomorrow for more updates and insights. Until then, keep a close eye on those market